To add an Add to Cart button to your Wix store, start by logging into your Wix account and navigating to the editor. In the editor, click on the Add button on the top bar and select More from the drop-down menu. From the More menu, choose E-commerce and then click on Add to Cart. This will open the Add to Cart settings where you can customize the appearance and behavior of the button. You can choose from various button styles, colors, and fonts to match your store's design. You can also set up the button to add products to the cart, redirect to the cart page, or open a pop-up with the cart details. To add the button to a specific product, go to the product page and click on the Add button. Select More and then E-commerce, and choose the Add to Cart button you just customized. You can then drag and drop the button to the desired location on the product page. Make sure to connect your Wix store to a payment provider to enable online transactions. You can do this by going to the Wix store settings, clicking on Payments, and following the instructions to connect your payment provider. To test the Add to Cart button, click on it and verify that the product is added to the cart correctly. You can also test the checkout process to ensure that it is working smoothly. Best practices for setting up the Add to Cart button include making sure it is prominently displayed on the product page, using a clear and concise call to action, and testing it regularly to ensure it is working correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily add an Add to Cart button to your Wix store and start selling products online. The Add to Cart button is a crucial element of any online store, as it enables customers to easily add products to their cart and proceed to checkout. By customizing the button and testing it regularly, you can improve the user experience and increase sales on your Wix store.